Does the SUD Life Century Income Plan truly guarantee a steady flow of income, or does it offer too little to beat inflation? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating individual savings life insurance plan. And some of the key features of the policy are: you have the choice of three plan options called immediate income, deferred income, and twin income. And you can start receiving payouts as early as the end of the first policy year or defer them for later. And you can enjoy enhanced benefits with larger premium contributions. And you have the freedom to select your premium amount, premium payment term, and overall policy term. And you get to accumulate your income and withdraw it anytime as per your requirement. And you can even adjust your future premiums using the income generated, and there are applicable tax benefits available. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like survival benefit, maturity benefit, and death benefit, which will differ based on the plan variant you have opted for. So some of the advantages of investing in this policy are: it gives you the flexibility to accumulate your survival income benefit instead of encashing them immediately. You get to receive your income payout on a date of your choice, such as a birthday, anniversary, or any other significant occasion. You can use the accrued income or the accumulated amount in the safe box to adjust your future premiums, and you even get to enjoy an additional boost in maturity benefits when you opt for a higher premium. So these are some of the advantages. However, the disadvantages are: your regular income payouts hinder the power of compounding on your investment. The protection offered under this plan may not be sufficient for your family's financial security. The overall returns from the policy are also relatively modest compared to other long-term investment options, and there are money-back benefits which may not be enough to meet real financial requirements. So these are some of the drawbacks that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis to help us understand and make a more informed decision. But if you do want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now, here for calculation purpose, let us calculate the internal rate of return based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male has opted for this policy with a 20-year policy term and a 10-year premium paying period, contributing an annual premium of 1 lakh. The sum assured is 10 lakhs, and he has chosen the plan option deferred income. After completing 10 years of premium payments, the investor starts receiving annual survival benefits. At maturity, he receives the maturity benefit along with the final income payout. So the survival benefit starts at 30,000 rupees and increases annually, and the maturity value is at 15.25 lakhs. The IRR for this cash flow comes around 4.68% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So even after 20 years, the IRR is lower than bank fixed deposit rate. So in conclusion, while the plan offers structured income and maturity benefits, its low returns and limited life coverage makes it less attractive as a long-term investment option. Now, as we know that this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to analyze other alternative options using an alternative strategy, where instead of investing our same premium in the SUD policy in a combined policy like that, we are going to split it and invest in insurance and investment separately. So here for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which cost us only 8,800 rupees annually, which is for a 20-year policy term and a 10-year premium payment period. So this leaves us with 91,200 rupees per year available for investment. If you are a low risk investor, you can choose instruments like PPF. High risk investors can opt for equity based options such as equity mutual fund, but for this analysis here, we will consider the equity mutual fund route. So the mutual fund investment here grows to a pre-tax maturity value of 17.92 lakhs. After the capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 16.98 lakhs. This is then shifted into an instrument offering 7% annual returns, from which withdrawals are made to mirror the payouts of the SUD policy. At maturity, the balance is fully redeemed. So if you want to know how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, we do have presented a small tabular column on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So in this strategy, it generates an IRR of 7.97%, which is far higher than the 4.68% IRR the SUD policy gives you. If annual withdrawals were avoided in this scenario, the returns can be even higher, giving you greater flexibility to manage cash flow as per actual needs. So this policy falls short on both returns and flexibility when compared to a simple term plan plus mutual fund combination strategy. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the SUD Life Century Income Plan worth it or not? So this policy basically gives you three plan options, allowing you to choose one that matches your cash flow needs. The income benefit can begin as early as the end of the first policy year or after the premium paying term, with the maturity benefit paid alongside the final income payout. So however, regular withdrawals disrupt the compounding effect, reducing the plan's overall returns. In addition, the sum assured is often inadequate to secure your family's long-term financial needs, and it also has a high agent commission. With its limited life coverage and modest returns, this policy is not ideal for individuals seeking steady income. So a more effective strategy is to separate insurance and investment, which is life protection will give you secure a due term life insurance policy to provide adequate financial security for your family, and for investment you can build a diversified investment portfolio tailored to your risk profile, goals and time horizon. Relying on traditional life insurance plans for income is not advisable. Instead, you can focus on goal based investments, which ensures your evolving financial needs are met. If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.